Alright, we're getting ready to do a little kayaking on the river this morning. Got up bright and early and going to get on down there. Try my new kayak out. It's a Lifetime brand Tahoma. And I'm going to check out and see how it maneuvers, do a little review on it, and a little bit of fishing on the side. So, go on, we'll try her out. Well, here we are at the ramp. I've added this anchor trolley pulley to the side of the boat. You can tie your anchor right to that thing, and then if you want to be facing down river with the stream, you just pull this thing back, and then if you want to go to the front of the boat or be fishing upstream, just push this thing all the way up front. Take your anchor up front. So here's your paddle holder. It clips onto this little clip, as you can see. Hold your paddle on. Just convenient. If you want to take it off, just unclip it like that, lift it off. It's just elastic band. Goes around the clip. They come with the boat. It's already installed. And here they have a storage compartment, which I hardly ever use. I just keep everything on top pretty well. And there's your tie off for your anchor rope. So if you run out, you don't lose it. I also put another catch on this side in case I want to lay my rod there or something else, or my paddle on the other side. Something else I installed was this rod holder, which is pretty nice. Kind of keeps it out of the way as you're paddling. I kind of put it in back of me a little bit. Not the best job, kind of sloppy, but it's waterproof, I guess. Something else I done for my anchor. I did have one of them, 3-prong anchors, and they get hung up quite a bit in this river. Last time, or next last time, I had to cut it off, cut my anchor off because it got stuck. Worked with it 30 minutes, couldn't get it up. Put my paddle down on it and pushed, and never would come up. But anyway, went to the bank, found me a rock, and it works great. It doesn't hang, believe me. Something else I installed is this seat. Helps keep you off the bottom of the kayak, especially when the water gets in it. You can get one of these at Academy. They're about 15 bucks. Good cushion, good backing. Makes things a lot more comfortable. Another thing, Scupper Balls. You can make these up yourself online. It's just a piece of string going into a kind of like a rubber golf ball that they practice with, I guess. Anyway, I'll show you how that works. You stick them down these holes. It helps keep the water from coming up. You can leave them out if you want to, but you're going to get wet. So just press them down as far as you can. You can pull them out later or leave them in. They'll help stop that water from getting you wet. Anyway, there she is. Let's try her out.